Say peace out.
Peace out.
Sawmill Charlie.
Hey everyone.
We just snuck in on him at 8 o'clock this morning, and he's showing his office here and at his sawmill, and it's a pretty good operation. So, Charlie, how long you been doing this for?
Oh, all my life. My
Oh.
father started this business back in 1933.
Wow.
So, well, we'll go ahead and we'll show you around the rest of the mill area.
Awesome. Thank you, Charlie.
But that's what you see on my videos. This is where we're at. And this here's a licensed polystyrene hive right there. These are all my 5-frame nucleus. And so next, this year, I'm going to go ahead and, of course, I got them sold, but I'm going to take this rack of 4-frame nukes out, and I'm going to put 2 more honey production hives here. But I'll still maintain 30 hives altogether through the winter time. And this is what I talked about on some of my live streams on Friday nights at 8 p.m. Central or 8 p.m. Eastern time. I took my hive lifter and raised these 2 hives off for this by myself, and I put in a new rack. The rack on that end was rotten, and got it all leveled up real nice, and then that's the rest of all my 10-frame honey production hives. So there's 12 of them right there right now. I'm going to put 2 more to get 14, and I want to hopefully have about a 1,200 pound crop of honey this year, as long as the weather holds out and all the hives work out as far as queens, or don't die on me or anything like that, like some of them did last year. Right in the middle of the honey season.
It can happen. So, Charlie, tell me your YouTube channel, and then give me your live stream.
All right, my YouTube channel is Sawmill Charlie's Bee Farm. You can look that up on the YouTube, and there's about 140 some videos on there right now. I try to do a lot of how-to type videos.
So you're not like Barry, No,
I'm not a how I do, but this is I like to talk about what I'm doing, and then this is the way I do it. Hopefully I'll help people out in their beekeeping, and as far as different techniques and things of that nature. When they bring the logs in, and then this part is a stop and load. It turns over, grabs the log and flips it over, and it goes onto our carriage. Now the carriage is 6 head blocks. It's a Montgomery carriage that was made up in Pennsylvania. The guy, Hubert Montgomery, was the guy who invented the automatic carriage. And then Frick and all the major companies, he did not patent it, which was, a bad thing on his part. And they seen, once the wheel was shown, then everybody else copied it. And the only thing he got out of it was Frick had to buy the automatic set works that runs the head blocks in and out automatically, predetermined inches that you want to saw for 10 years. And after that, that's all he got out of it. And And so we saw a lot of 20-foot material quite often. So we bought this carriage and had it made to our specifications so we can saw those long logs. Most of the time, sawmills will have 4-head blocks because they're sawing a lot of short stuff, sawing a lot of low-grade material, a lot of pallet-type lumber. And we're more of a high-end sawmill. We sell a lot of specialty lumber cuts and a little more precision and everything. So that's why it's set up the way it is. And it does, it does a good job. It's, like everything else, it has its issues. Over time, it wears out.
How old is the equipment, Charlie?
This is probably 30 years old, I would think.
Okay.
Now, the decking here, I was still in elementary school, I think, and that was back in the 70s or so. I think it's been here for, I don't know, 40 plus years.
About the expo.
The best part,
Yeah.
meeting all the people.
Meeting
It's a
all the
great
people.
time.
Yeah.
I learned a lot too from the speakers and everything. It's amazing how it all came out.
Outside.
Yeah, there's
Honeybees outside?
Yeah.
Awesome.